Is there a book that you've gone through, that you've read, that you think everybody out there, they need to read and it's really going to help them?
Yeah. So there are many books. This is a really hard question to answer, but in the interest of the time, I will name one book. The name of the book is One Thing by Gary Keller and Jay Papasan. That book has received numerous awards. It's a Wall Street bestseller, New York Times bestseller, Amazon bestseller. It has been translated into 27 languages. And at its core, it is all about the antithesis of what we are doing today. So today, we find that we are getting bombarded with messages, WhatsApp messages, text messages, emails, social media feeds, Twitter, LinkedIn, you name it, right? And then as a result, we are getting distracted day in, day out basis.
Yeah.
So this book at its core really talks about how to focus on one or two key things that will yield 80 to 90% of the results, because it is all about being productive, getting things done for us. So that's a great book that I would recommend for the readers out there. And it is one of my go-to book when it comes to how to keep yourself zoned in, focus, how to elevate distractions, you name it, right?